Hello,
Hello,
Ivan.
teacher.
All right. Good afternoon. Is my voice clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, Ivan, after this class, I will send to you the evaluation sheet of the test that you had last time, okay? Because I forgot to send it in the GC. All right, Ivan? Okay.
Yeah.
So, Ivan, is my voice clear to you? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Good. All right. Because today we will be having reading and writing activity. Okay. So let me share to you the screen so we can now start with our activity. We have here test two of the reading and writing activity. So here, Ivan, just like the other reading and writing activity, you're going to read the information numbers 1 to 5 and try to find the letter that has the same meaning of the given word. Okay? Good luck. Take your time,
Mm.
Ivan.
Yeah.
Okay, Ivan, please read.
1. Do not leave any food here. C. In home country park. After eating your picnic, take your picnic things home. 2. Do not leave your suitcase in front of the door. B. City airport. Please keep exits free from luggage. 3. You can write to people from here. E. Internet cafe. Send emails to the internet. £2 per hour. 4. Do not bring your own sandwiches here. G. Your churros cafe. Please only eat food you have bought here. 5. Be very careful to watch your bags and suitcase. F. Central Station. Keep your luggage with you at all times.
Okay, let's check. Number 1, do not leave your food here. The correct answer is very good. Letter C. Number 2, do not leave your suitcases in front of the doors. It's letter B. City airport. Please keep exits free from luggage. Correct. You can write to people from here. The answer is letter E. Internet cafe. Send emails and surf the internet. Number 4, do not bring your own sandwiches here. Very good, Ivan. We have Pietro's Cafe. Please only eat food you have bought here. And lastly, number 5, be careful to watch your bags and suitcase. The answer is letter F, Central Station. Okay, very good. Ivan, your first um part of the reading and writing activity are all correctly answered. Great work. So let's do part 2. Read each sentences about Ingrid's home. Choose the best word A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Go.
I'm done.
All right. Please read.
6. Ingrid likes living high above the city streets. 7. Ingrid was born in the countryside, but she prefers living in a city. 8. It only takes Ingrid 10 minutes to walk from the flat to her school. 9. When the lift isn't working, Ingrid has to walk up the stairs to her flat. 10. When she gets home, her mother cooks a big meal.
Okay, number 1, Ivan. Ingrid likes living, correct, high above city street, correct. Number 7, Ingrid was born in the countryside, but she prefers living in the city. Very good. Number 8, it only takes Ingrid 10 minutes to walk from the flat to her school. Very good. Number 9, when the lift isn't working, Ingrid has to walk up the stairs to her flat. Very good. Number 10, when she gets home, her mother cooks a big meal. Great work. Wow, very good, Ivan. Another perfect score from this part number 2. That's great. Now here, part 3, complete the 5 conversations. So for questions 10 to 15, mark A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Okay, so here, let's try to answer this questions and sentences correctly.
I'm done.
Okay, please read your answers.
11. I like your new dress. A. Do you really? 12. How did you get to Portugal? C. By plane. 13. I'm sorry I'm late. B. That's alright. 14. Hello? Can I speak to Yen, please? C. Can I ask who is calling? 15. Remember to buy some coffee. A. I won't forget.
All right, number 1, I like new dress. The answer is, do you really? Correct. Number 12, how did you get to Portugal? Portugal is a country. It is by plane. Correct. Number 13, I'm sorry, I'm late. And that's all right. Hello, can I speak to Jane, please? Can I ask who's calling? Okay. 15, remember to buy some coffee. I won't forget. Great work again. Very good, Ivan. You did great. Now here, Ivan, let's do 16 to 20. You're going to complete the conversation. Conversion. It's not conversion, but it's conversation. What does Sarah say to her father? For question 16 to 20, Ivan, mark the correct letter A to H on your answer sheet. Here we go. Okay,
I'm
done.
done.
Okay.
I think I feel a lot in this part.
Okay, let's try.
Good, good, thanks. I played a game of golf. You're lucky you had an extra math lesson. Oh, why was that? Our teacher said we needed, but it was so boring. Oh well, did you play tennis this afternoon? I did. It was really good. I won all my games. Good for you. We must have a game at the weekend. Okay, but why don't we play today? Good idea. Would you like to go now? I should do my homework first. Let's go later. Okay, dinner will be ready at 7, so we can go at about 8.
All right. Okay, so let's check this one, Ivan. Number 16. Good. Thanks. I played a game golf. The correct answer is very good. You're lucky. We had an extra math lesson. Oh, why was that? The correct answer is letter A. Our teacher said we need it, but it was so boring. Number 18. Oh, well, did you play tennis this afternoon? It's letter I did. I was really good. I won all my games. Correct, Ivan? Number 18. No, 19. Good for you. We must have a game at the weekend. It's letter B. Okay, but why don't we play today? Oh, correct. Next, number 20. Good idea. Would you like to go now? It's letter D. Okay, dinner will be ready at 7. So we can go at about 8. Very good, Ivan. I thought you got mistakes here. You're so good. Okay, great work. Okay, it's another perfect score again here from this part number 3. So, Ivan, this one is a bit tricky. So, read the article about two strange meetings. Are sentences 21, 27 right or wrong? If there is not enough information to answer right or wrong, just choose letter C. Go.
I'm done.
Okay, Ivan, please read.
21. Anna left home and began working in a department store. A. Correct. 22. The young man who spoke to Anna wanted to buy a new jacket. C. Doesn't say. 23. Anna was younger than Michael. A. Correct. 24. Michael and the young man were students together. A. Correct. 25. Anna got a job with the same company in San Francisco. Francisco. B. Wrong. 26. Anna was at work when she met the young man for the second time. B. Wrong. 27. Anna was angry when the young man spoke to her a second time. C. Doesn't say.
Okay, number 21. Anna left home and began working in a department store. The answer is correct. It's right. The young man who spoke to Anna wanted to buy a new jacket. It's letter C. It doesn't says. She just met the man. 23. Anna was younger than Michelle. It's wait. Letter A, correct. Next, 24. Michelle and the young man were students together. They are? Yes, they are classmates when at the history subject or history class. Next, 25. Anna got a job with the same company in San Francisco. That's wrong. It's different already. 26. Anna was at work when she met the young man for the second time. Correct, Ivan. 27. Anna was angry when the young man spoke to her the second time. It doesn't. Wow, perfect. Again, great work, Ivan. You did great. It's again perfect. All right. Congratulations again, my dear Ivan. You were able to answer this perfectly again. Okay? So, Ivan, so for the fourth part 5, number 28 to 35, you're going to read the article about tigers. Choose the best word A, B, or C for each space. So for question 28 to 35, mark A or B on your answer sheet. But first, Ivan, I will end the Zoom now and enter again because this will be off now. Okay?
Yeah.
There again. Thank you.